Well, one of the really interesting things about just sitting out in your backyard in the evening watching the birds is when the lighting turns out to be sort of producing almost a backlit. This video of this blue jay taking a bath is in slow motion, of course. I always shoot slow motion. This one was done with a Nikon P900, my go-to point and shoot for backyard bird entertainment. This video is a little over 4 minutes long, which is a little long for Facebook. But this section where this bird sort of looks like it's figuring out what to do next. Okay, what are you going to do, buddy? Get back in? It's the end of September, and you can still see the insects flying around, small ones, although one bee at the first of this video. A reminder that you can try to wash off all those things that are on the surface, like those conceptual lice and fleas. But you can't get rid of the conceptual tapeworms and flukes inside by taking a bath. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, do I get back in for some more? The answer is probably yes. So even though it's out in the backyard, my guess is that you're watching a blue jay in a way that you've never really watched one before. And of course, it wouldn't be one of my backyard videos if you didn't get also an advertisement for Life Lessons from a Parasite, available at Francine Finch in Lincoln, or just order it from Amazon, especially before the election.